How to enable the reachability and use one-handed mode on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now in accessibility, tap on touch, and then in here you will see a reachability button. So if this button is turned off, then you will not be able to use one-handed mode. So tap on this button to turn it on, and after turning on this button, swipe down on the bottom edge of your screen to bring the top reach. So like this you can open the one-handed mode, but if this button is turned off, you will not be able to bring the one-handed mode on. So turn on reachability, swipe down from the bottom, and one-handed mode will be enabled. So that's how you can use one-handed mode on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.